blocks B cells. And so, yeah, you could reduce some of the growth factors that are released by B cells, but you wouldn't want to do that too strongly, because we need our B cells as part of the response to make antibodies that block the virus. So what we're challenged with now as we develop clinical trials for this disease, COVID-19, coronavirus infectious disease, as in 2019, when we moved on between 2019 now and into 2020, is we're trying to figure out at what stage do you give these medications? Do you give something early to block the cytokine storm, or is that going to block the immune response against the virus? And I think as we start to understand more about how the virus replicates, or in other words, makes more of itself, we're going to know the right staging. I think Imbruvica would be a later stage. It's a pill, but it would be something you'd give only if somebody hadn't had a good response to that drug I mentioned, tocilizumab, and then we would move on to a cellular therapy, because we have a cellular therapy team here. So not many places have a cellular therapy service. We have it. PEDAL has helped us to do some really important clinical trials that span the spectrum from immunotherapy, cancer stem cell targeting, precision medicine, and community outreach and engagement. And we're including all 4 pillars of those research plans from the Cancer Center under the umbrella of PEDAL, and being able to move forward on all 4 fronts. And as Patty mentioned, the biggest source of COVID in the community is coming from the South, and we have to be able to provide these therapies regardless of your paycheck. And that's something I'm very proud that our system has managed to do for a long time, and I'm glad that we can continue to do it.
Thanks, Kat. Dr. Coffey, I'm